Amino acid testing. Testing laboratory. Testing field.
What crops did you use Cocoly? Ginger and garlic all used. How about the effects? Really well. Cocoly brings good effects and high yields.
Use Cocoly on watermelon.
How do you think on watermelon?
Cocoly is perfect. Watermelon have big size, high sweetness and a good appearance. We plant watermelon. Use Cocoly 120 kilograms per acre as base fertilizer. Top dressing 60 kilograms Cocoly. In seedling stage, it can develop roots and promote seedlings. The fruit smells very good. The quality and taste are very good. With Cocoly, the Brix is higher than NPK fertilizers. With NPK, the Brix is 12. With Cocoly, the Brix is above 13. The yield is increased 3,000 kilograms per acre. One bag, one coat. Automatic loading system. Every time I come to Cocoly factory, I have deep impression. I have visited many factories. Cocoly is very clean and tidy, and make the product with heart. Last time, farmers and I came here. Many farmers said the workshop is cleaner than their homes. We also see the real raw materials on site. Good materials produce good fertilizer. From production to warehouse, every aspect is attentive. So I have more confidence after this time visiting. And I will do more promotions to our local farmers. Coming to Cocoly factory feels like a hotel. It's basically spotless. About Cocoly brand, I went to another fertilizer factory yesterday. The factory staff was amazed I'm the agent of Cocoly. He said Cocoly brand is good. The fertilizer is really good. So Cocoly isn't a normal brand. Other manufacturers highly recognized it. China first granular water-soluble fertilizer Cocoly started in 2013.
中国的巧克力，世界的 Cocoly。